Rachel, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing yet another skincare, and it's from the brand iUNIK, and it's called Centella 911 Skincare Bundle. And I know a lot of you are looking for skincare that would help your skin, so I am here to introduce this brand to you guys. So this brand was actually mentioned by Hiram a lot of times, so I wanted to make a review if it's really worth it or not. So disclaimer guys, these products were actually sent to me by iUNIK, but other than that, everything that I'll be sharing with you guys is my 100% honest opinion about these products. So iUNIK is a Korean brand that prides itself on using only hypoallergenic ingredients for all its products. The main thing that they promote is minimalism in skincare, and their products come in simple and clean packaging with a reasonable price. Now let's start with the cleanser. So they actually sent me 2 cleansers, but I prefer this one better, the Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam. So this is a mildly acidic foaming cleanser for all skin types. It comes in a simply designed, easy pump bottle, and it contains 150 ml of product. It has a really subtle, sweet scent, and it smells really similar to the Tea Tree Relief Toner if you tried that out before. And it's an easy cleanser to use. There's no hassle with it since it comes in a pump bottle. It comes out as a foam, so you don't need to foam it up yourself. It's a gentle cleanser on the skin, and it does not feel like it's stripping the moisture from your skin, if you know what I mean. And it does not cause irritation on my skin when I used it. And I always feel like my skin is clean without this super squeaky clean feeling. It does state that it is pH balancing since it is mildly acidic, which is good for your skin since the skin on our face is ideally slightly acidic. So my favorite ingredient of it is the Centella Asiatica leaf water, which helps in calming down the skin, and also the liquorized root extract, which helps in brightening the skin. Now let's move on with the toner. For their toner, they have this Tea Tree Relief Toner, and it is made up of 67% guys. 67% tea tree water instead of just using plain water. So tea tree is well known for its topical, antiseptic, and also antifungal properties. I can suggest this toner for acne-prone skin like mine because it reduces oil and also sebum production while it does not disrupt your moisture level. So 20% of this toner is made up of Centella Asiatica, which is a common herbal ingredient that is used to help speed up wound healing, such as blemishes and also skin rashes. I am a big fan of watery toner just like this one. It feels very lightweight and it easily absorbs to the skin. It gives a refreshing feeling due to the scent, and I love how it manages to wake me up and refresh me every time in my routine. I often use this product right after cleansing as it acts as a soothing toner. Next is their serum, which is the Tea Tree Relief Serum formula, and it is indeed perfect if you have an acne-prone combination skin. It also contains 67% tea tree leaf water like the toner, which has a purifying and also calming effect. It is also combined with healing and soothing your redness and irritation because of the 19.5% Centella Asiatica leaf water. The size of the bottle is very generous for a serum, which has 50 ml in it. I only use a few drops every day, so I think it may last me a month or 2 months. And iUNIK Tea Tree Relief Serum is perfect if you are younger or in school or you're studying, or if you have acne-prone skin, because it is a very simple and effective product that won't break your bank. So now let's move on with the moisturizer. This is the Centella Calming Gel Cream, and it's a light and moisturizing gel cream that can help calm sensitive skin blemishes and relieve skin stresses. It also has 70% Centella Asiatica leaf water and 10% tea tree leaf water. It also helps in skin brightening and also wrinkle care, which I love. And I like the subtle citrus scent to it and the translucent look. It hydrates my face very well, making it healthy and plump, Moreover, the light texture also helps to quicken the absorption. And I don't have to wait long for it to absorb before applying my sunblock. So next are my top 2 favorites, and these products I genuinely love and I definitely think are worth it. So this is actually a new member of the iUNIK-Centella line, and it's the Centella Calming AC Spot Cream. It is mainly for acne-prone sensitive skin, and it is a spot cream that uses 81% Centella asiatica extract and also AHA, BHA, PHA ingredients to care for excessively secreted sebum and also dead skin cells. This formula gently and effectively dries out visible acne overnight, and I've been using it on my active pimple, and after 3 or 4 days, I definitely saw a huge result. It subsided my pimple or acne. And what I love about it is its ingredients. First is the Centella asiatica, which is an effective ingredient in calming and caring for skin hypersensitivity reactions. And next is the anti-sebum P, which helps control sebum secretion and also inflammation, which is the main cause of acne. And Totarol, which is powerfully an anti-inflammatory and also antibacterial. And this spot cream soothes troubled areas with an instant cooling effect the moment you applied it. And it has a gentle texture without stimulation, and it feels fresh without any sticky feeling at all. And this cream really works well and I have zero complaints about it. Lastly would be the most important step and probably one of my favorite. It is the sunscreen. This is the Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen, and sunscreen is a must not just this summer but every single day. Please remember that, guys. Sunscreen, you must not skip it. This sunscreen protects the skin from both UV rays, as it includes a strong and reliable UV protection index of SPF 50+ and PA++++. It still contains several beneficial ingredients such as Centella asiatica and beta-glucan, which contributes to the soothing, moisturizing, and brightening effects. It is an everyday essential easy wear sunscreen that provides a lightweight and also watery soft texture, and it has no white cast, guys. It also has no artificial fragrance included. It also has a really generous amount in it. Usually other sunscreens contain about 50 ml, but this sunscreen is 60 ml. And to test the stickiness of the product, I applied the product to my hand and also put tissues to it. And it does not stick, you guys. This definitely shows that the product is a slightly matte formula that is absorbed well without being sticky. Therefore, this sunscreen is great for combination or oily skin or people living in hot regions like here in the Philippines. And the price is very reasonable, and I highly recommend this one for skincare beginners. And that will be the end of the video. Everything that I mentioned will be linked down below. All of the websites that you will be needing internationally or locally, I'll be putting it in the description box. And also you can use my code in Yesstyle chelgania20 for 20% off if you purchase iUNIK products on Yesstyle. Thank you for watching. Bye!